Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna kick. On today's video, we're making this beautiful and vibrant spinach recipe. Let's get started, guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Heat your pan or pan, honey, and add a little bit of oil, and you're going to proceed by adding your onions, red and yellow bell peppers, and you're going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Once we have a little bit of some browning on there, honey, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings. I use vegetable spice, and for the herbs I use some sage and thyme. You're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil in there if you need to, honey, and continue to saute for another minute or two until we have cooked the spices. Add your chicken stock cube and a little bit of water. We want just a little bit of water. We're going to go ahead and steam the vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes until the water has dried up completely. You're gonna go ahead and close your pot or pan and let it dry out completely. Now that the onions and peppers are cooked to our liking, you're gonna proceed by adding your julienne carrots and your washed spinach. You wanna use the spinach straight out of the water so that it will render that water and make a beautiful sauce that will later thicken and create this beautiful glaze on the spinach, honey. Then go ahead, add your spinach and close the pot and let it wilt. Once the spinach has wilted, you're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Don't worry about the water that is in there. That is it what we want, honey. Make sure you're using medium to high heat, but also you're not burning. So this recipe is very quick. You just need to move fast and make sure that you're not burning anything. Now you're going to let it simmer like that for another 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes to finish off our recipe, honey, you're going to mix together a little bit of milk and some corn flour to thicken that water or that juice. That is going to create this beautiful thickener, guys, and beautiful glaze. Everything is so beautiful and it comes together. Don't you think the colors are just, it's screaming Christmas for me. Once you have added the milk and the corn flour, honey, you're going to stir them in and just cook them off for about a minute or two. At this point, the vegetables are cooked. Everything is beautiful and up to standard. That is the recipe, guys. I hope you do try it. Please give the video a like, comment down below and show me some love, and I will show you back some love, and I hope to see you on the next one.